What have I figured out for lunch today? Well, we do something very simple, something very easy. Just wondering why there's like literally no Wi-Fi at all in my kitchen here, but it's fine. We're gonna just continue on. So, yet again, we're just gonna have a nice light pre-made salad here, because I'm lazy. I'm just gonna make a small fry up with eggs here, a little bit of ketchup. I know I'm addicted to that shit. And then we have something German. We're gonna have these Schwäbische Schupfnudeln, which is basically just a potato like stick thing, and I really like it. Goes great along with a very nice light salad, and that's what we're gonna fry up now. Again, we have the lazy approach to food today. We also have dinner coming up later where we do the burgers again, this time a different kind of patty. And I think let's just go with it. I almost missed one thing. So you need to use up this pan fat here. So we're gonna use the small one here, because I don't want to have the largest portion. And of course, naturally again, I want to have a banana smoothie as well alongside. For the marathon, for the energy, and especially for the blood sugar. Gotta get going with that. So while all this is just heating up, leaving it to the side here, I'm gonna have some nice sunny side up eggs, which will be very nice. And of course on top, the whole salad bowl, which I'm just gonna dress like everything else. Just gotta make sure it doesn't leave the bowl. Maybe I should have gotten the bigger bowl, but it will be fine. Yet again, we're just gonna use the balsamico, which I really like. Give it a good sip of fat here. And then I'm gonna use, yet again, a tiny pinch of sugar, just to take the acidity off a little bit, just a little bit. There we go. We still want to have the balsamico in our salad and taste it also. Sip of water and we're good to go. Just need to stir it around lightly. All right, put it to the side. Now the fat is hot, turn it down to like medium. There's not much left in there, so I'm just gonna use the whole thing. It'll be fine. I'm just gonna eat it and take my time. And for the next spray, and you can just cut it around a little bit. So since everything is here still cold, because it was frozen before, I'm just gonna heat up a little bit more. And I guess while we wait, we'll just have some nice salad in the meantime. Of course, preparing yet again my nice banana smoothie with the protein powder. Now definitely the heat is going up. What you really want to have, you see, is like an even fry of everything. Stir them around just a little bit. Alright, just gonna peel the banana out of here. Just like yesterday again, I'm just gonna make like small chunks and just put them in the, there we go, in the blender. It's alright. And then for the smoothie, just again, just like yesterday, I'm gonna use walnuts. All the rest that we have here. Nice and done. Top it off with 1 scoop of my strawberry protein powder. Very nice. And then that's that. Just fill it up with milk and into the blender it goes. All right, that's it. Just have the protein powder ready. There we go. So yeah, we planned out everything quite well for the 2 marathon days, really. Yesterday I actually went a bit longer. Instead of 12 hours, I went 13 because that was how it ended up. And today, we'll see how long it will take. So for lunch, I'm gonna have 2 things. Of course, I have a nice bowl of salad here. It's just some premix that I had, beets and some fresh herbs here. Then we're gonna have, of course, my protein here. with my protein powder, banana smoothie. And for the carbohydrates, we're gonna have these very lovely German Schupfnudeln, which is basically like potatoes just made into small sticks. It's very tasty. You're just gonna fry it up and it's good to go. The whole combination will deliver me great energy, enough sugar to go, of course, and definitely will fill the stomach. Well, just a few more minutes to go and we're almost done. And to top it off, I'm just gonna make like 2 eggs just on top, because I like the mixture of the whole thing. But yeah, that's that. That's it so far. Take a look here at the donation goal. We are at $190, pounds out of 300. We're almost close to the Metal Gear Acid donation incentive. So if you want to see me suffer and force me basically to play Metal Gear Acid on the PlayStation Portable, well, only £10 off. That is legit the donation incentive. With the £100, which will let me do an all bosses console run of Metal Gear Solid 1, also with good ending. So we're gonna save marrow, we're gonna mash a lot of buttons. That's what we're gonna end today's charity marathon stream on. And yeah, I guess soon we're gonna do Acid. And if you go even that far later today and get even £300 together, I'm gonna have to speedrun Pepsi Man, which is its own thing. But everybody's like me, oh, are you ready to run Acid? I'm like, yeah, I am. I have the game here, I have bought it actually. And I figure for the good cause of the donation incentive, we definitely have a good reason to open that up. Alright, we're getting ready soon. Starting to see more and more of these brown spots, which is good. There we go. You can see that it's definitely a lot more color here now. Give it like a few more minutes and then we're done with them. What I personally always do is just put them on a towel first, clean out a little bit so that, you know, rich in fat, like sweating in the fat. Well, this is soon done. This is for later actually also. I just love a good protein shake, really. Delicious. The mixture of banana and strawberry together is just an insane fusion, really. So good. I mean, this is not fully done, just a minute more. It's gonna make it ready. Right, this is now done. Just transfer everything over. Okay, we lost one. Alright, so that's almost this. Getting ready to eat, and then we can move over. Well, you gotta be careful that they don't stick completely to the bottom here. Left a bit more fat in the pan here. It's not definitely too sticky. Alright, come on. I'm gonna start bringing everything over because we're almost done here. So that's gonna be nice. Okay, this turning out great. Give it just a few more minutes and we're good to go. I'm literally just doing the rest with the heat of the pan is just there. Turn everything off already anyway, as you can see, no button looking out. It's one of those fancy ones where you have like a button that you can push in and stuff like that. And yeah, I would say I'm gonna transition over to the other scene, and then we see you after a very minor break, like a minute or two maximum, and then we are ready to have lunch and watch some videos together.